salad is very delicious, prepared by Miss Rosie Fernandez.
Rosie Fernandez.
Chicken and this is beans. There is salad. There is salad. Salad is very good for digestion. This everything is arranged by Jessica Fernandez.
And listen, I'm going to give company to him.
And he is my
PA.
He will wash everything afterwards. All the dishes, all the utensils. Then that banana skins also he will eat afterwards. And lepe raw tendla. And that vegetable is specially prepared by Master Shavi, our chef. Giddu Club. Then what is remaining?
And this plate is very beautiful.
This plate is very beautiful, made of full of pure diamond. Pure diamond dishes.
And see, this fork is very nice. See,
This fork is of silver.
Silver and
And
gold.
this looks very sharp, very sharp.
Sharp, very.
Fork sharp.
Ooh,
Then he dies.
And listen.
This is very good foil. Very good
And
foil.
see,
Then,
this is vegetable
then
curry.
moving on to salad. It's very round and very crispy and very tasty. So welcome to the party. Welcome to the
Feast.
advanced New Year party.
And
Arranged by Master Sandra Fernandez.
okay.